As you can see, there is a high population density in Belgium, especially in the northern part, Flanders. This, together with a lively and extensive road system, is responsible for a fragmentation of our regions. Nature, agriculture, industry and residential areas are therefore jumbled up. Because of the majority of flats, there is a lot of biking in our region. So we take you along on our sightseeing tour throughout the local vegetation in all 4 seasons. Our local and original vegetation consists mainly out of deciduous forest, once in a while alternated by mixed forests. You can immediately recognize the dense overgrowth of the beech forest. Nearby we also have an artificial pool, the Kranenpool. This originated because people dug out peat. Nowadays it's a magnet for local birds. You can find amongst others black-headed gulls, mallards, crows, Canadian geese, and even a diving tuft duck. In summertime the sun gives its best to penetrate the dense leaves of the beeches, but she only succeeds in the lanes. When the days grow shorter, autumn arrives. This is maybe the season with the biggest variety of colors. The chestnuts feed squirrels and wild boars. The leaves flutter out of the sky. The floor, trees and leaves cover everything in 50 shades of grey. Brown. A wide range of fungi arise from the fertile and moist surface layer. You can find them in a variety of colors. Some are edible, others extremely poisonous, but they all contribute their bit towards the diversity. You can see amantai, puffballs, fly agarics, pennybugs, bolete, wood bluets, honey fungi, morchelli, rushelli, tinder fungi, Tramites versicolor, and even the most recognizable Phallus impudicus. Showers are possible throughout the year. Blackberries can only be found in autumn. Our historical wealth is proven by the numerous landed properties that are scattered throughout the Flemish woods. The silence and the magnificent display of colors remain irresistible. During the winter temperatures can drop to -15 at night. It's even possible that it freezes during the day for a couple of weeks, but a couple of snowy days are the rule rather than the exception. Even tough the snow brings about dangerous roads. It's still a fairy tale to travel through nature and the environment. I hope you've enjoyed the beautiful impressions of Flanders, and we return home completely satisfied.